Hi there, Shelley here with Harvesting Heritage. I have another bee-inspired DIY project to share with you. I was at the Dollar Tree and found flip-flops with bees on them. And I know that I've seen wreaths made out of flip-flops on the internet, and they go from $50 to $200, and I know that we can do it for a lot less than that. And I thought it'd be a fun project that you could do with your kids. Here are the supplies that I think I'm going to need. I put a white cloth on the table so you could see them. I think I'll need a pair of scissors, my glue gun, an extra glue stick. I have a little bit of E6000 left and some sticks in case the glue gets too hot. All of my flip-flops, I have black ones for infill. I have the little bumblebees, and these say be positive. And then some that match the color of the bumblebees, just for infill. I have this, which was just a decorative item that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it had a cardboard sign on it that said, "Welcome Summer." And then this I found also at the Dollar Tree, and it's just a wire that says welcome. I thought I could put the welcome on there, and then I'm going to dry fit all of the flip-flops all the way around it. So I will go ahead and do that, and I'll come back in a moment. I'm going to put the backdrop colors in first. Emily. You can't help me, kitty. So I laid out all of the flip-flops, but I can tell, because I'm trying to keep the wreath wide enough that you can see the welcome, that I'll either need a lot more flip-flops or take the welcome metal piece off, put my flip-flops closer in, and then put the metal piece on top of the flip-flops. So I'm gonna try that next. So I have laid out and dry fit the flip-flops. The welcome did not work underneath the flip-flops because you couldn't see the word. So I have taken it and placed it on top, which I think I can just glue that on top. But I also placed the black flip-flop where the hanger is, because I don't think I can take that hanger off and make it look good. So the black will just disguise it. So now I'm going to take it apart, and I'm going to put a little piece of tape, I think, on where each flip-flop goes, so it's easy for me to replicate this. So I'll see you in a minute. And I took a stick and I marked it where the flip-flop should end, and they're pretty close. So I have, this one's not, this one's not, this one's down, and this one's not. So I'm gonna put this one in the middle, where these two will be on each side, and I'm going to take the marker, put it there. And the hot glue really did work. I thought I would need the E6000, and I did use it once, but I really didn't need it. I tried to take one up, and it was glued very well. So the next one I will put distance, eyeball that. Put a little bit on the flip-flop itself. Glue it down. These little strings from the hot glue I'll clean up later if there are any. And the very last one will go about right there. Up, down. Just make sure that I had them all correct, because it's heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Okay. last finishing touch will be the welcome sign. And we have Darren look. He's got the great eye for symmetry, so see if that's in the center, would you please? Okay, so Darren liked the welcome being off-center from the lines. And here is where the flip-flop wreath is going to go. I actually put a Christmas wreath up there, and I really liked it. And we have absolutely nothing in that cupboard to get into. So it'll be cheery when we walk into the kitchen. Kind of looks like a sunflower. I don't think that I showed you the bumblebee rug that I picked up in Paso Robles when Channing and I were there. We were walking by a carpet store, and in their storefront they had their samples on sale. And this just happened to be rolled up, and I saw the bumblebee and I thought, oh, perfect for in front of my sink. Okay, now that we're done, let me go through the cost. I bought 7 pair of flip-flops, though I only used 6, so 12 individuals. And that was $1.25 times 6, so $7.50. The wooden plaque was $1.25, and the metal welcome sign was another $1.25, so $10 all in. I did use probably half a stick of glue from my glue gun and leftover command strips, and that's it. So for $10, when it's hot outside, you and your kids could have a great day. And you could always add things. You could add silk flowers and beads and baubles and really make it special. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you have a joy-filled day.